Hey friends, let's check out, I got a ton this month, my button haul from Dress It Up. Micro hearts and peach. I got lots and lots of micro hearts. Polka dot flowers. How cute are these ladybugs? And the big thing this time around is lots of periwinkles. So I got some peri tassels. And then these, I love these heirloom buttons. So pretty. And I'm loving these dragonflies as well. Some lavender micro hearts. Some low light check rounds. Micro hearts in stiletto. Ice cream vanilla bean mix, because Dress It Up is a sister company of Jessie James. Micro hearts in sherbet. So this is all from Dress It Up. This is my button haul. Micro hearts from Orchid. And look at all these peri flowers, and I love these peri hearts. They're so cool. Can't wait to use them. And if you didn't know, we own a rabbit, so some really cute bunnies. She looks a lot like this guy. She's a Rex bunny, and she's the cutest little thing. Micro hearts in lily. Micro hearts in lime. Micro hearts in sunshine. Fairy dust flowers. Micro hearts in kiss. The Easter collection. Bunny love. How cute are they? Micro hearts in sapphire. Such a pretty blue. Micro hearts in seafoam, and then these really pretty check fire polish crystal. Yay! That's my Dress It Up button haul.